Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm AJ. This day we hashtag the cannons.
CCTV.
Alright y'all, welcome back to our eating show. Like I said, we're back with another mukbang. Today guys, we will be having some lemon pepper wings. Yum. Got some cucumbers, and also guys in the middle, got a big old Caesar pasta salad. I guess. I got this recipe from our Facebook. It had chicken in it, but since we was eating wings, I left the chicken out. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna get on this in just a minute, but first, I just want to hit you with a couple things.
If this is your first time on our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and after hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time we upload, and give this video a thumbs up, like it.
That's right guys, hit that button, hit that bell, make sure you become a part of the family. Guys, remember hashtag grow baby grow, hashtag the cannons moving closer. I go up 50K. Yeah. You guys also don't forget, go on over and subscribe to the recipe channel. We're gonna be dropping a lot of videos soon there, and definitely subscribe to Diddy. She turned up, she dropping videos after videos. She dropped them out the sky.
Hopefully y'all get one for this come out.
Alright y'all, so after y'all do that, come back, pray, we're gonna eat. Other God named Jesus, we ask that you bless this food. Let it be nourished our bodies, bless us, let's fortunate. All these things we ask in your name. Amen.
Amen.
Alright, so
I'm getting the chicken.
There we go. Alright y'all, so I want a chicken too. What? Come on.
I'm so doggone eager.
Oh, well. I didn't even show you that. Maybe next one.
A little lemon pepper.
These all lemon pepper, by the way. Cook these in the air fryer. The air fryer. Make quick work.
Air fryer wings got a hold on me. I ain't gonna say chokehold, that's too far.
Well, that's no.
How long air fryer's been out?
Oh, wow, man.
Well, shit.
If I had known about it, I already got one in college. Pull the whole boom up.
I'm pretty sure that's the thing now. Got freshly out. I don't know. Chug.
Go ahead, Badland. Come on.
I can't. My chest will be on the floor. I don't know how he be chugging like that. But yeah, since I ain't showed y'all yet. Get a bite of this.
It's great.
Got some basic components of a Caesar salad. Got some croutons, the romaine Caesar dressing. One thing is, these got rotini noodles in there. I'll put the dressing on the noodles for a little while in the refrigerator. Let that marinate. Want some Parmesan cheese?
Did you say Parmesan?
Parmesan.
For another chicken.
Look just as white.
Happy Juneteenth, y'all. We don't see y'all before Sunday. Free-ish.
Happy Juneteenth.
Yes. Go out into your community and celebrate. I didn't know they had so many events here.
I don't know.
I think I went to one in Marshall one time, but I didn't know that's what it was.
Yeah, probably did.
At Park over the hill.
Yep. Cause my grandma always helped out.
I ain't had a clue. AJ family just told me come out there. Me and Sherry was pulling up. I like this.
Noodles and lettuce. Yeah.
When you first said something, I was like, how did this come from?
No.
But I trust yourself.
Hey, I was just following the recipe. I said, I hope it's good together.
I'm so glad it rained today. It has been hot here.
Super hot.
It is 91,000 damn degrees.
Everywhere been hot. The stove been hot.
That's why I've been on. That's why if I seem a little low energy, probably just drink it. Heat make you mad, boy.
Also, don't make you feel great either when you've been out in it for a long
What I'm
time.
saying. This is ultimately irritating. When I was for them, I was hot.
I can't imagine like these people that work on the road and stuff. A no for me.
Hell no. You gotta do what you gotta do to feed your family.
Yeah.
So.
Can I work at night?
Yeah, it's hot right now.
You right.
You know there's gonna be some storms going on the way this heat.
And normally I don't even be wanting to rain, but when it be hot like this, Lord, let your shower cool the earth down.
And release the rain.
Release the rain. Which I'm sure there's some places that's hotter than here.
Yes. And
Arizona and all of them.
Which, hot is hot, but what's worse? 105 degrees dry heat or 95 degrees with high humidity.
Mama said 95 is worse. High humidity.
I know that humidity is, yeah, man, it's a mother. A mother, shut your mouth.
I'm gonna get into y'all topic soon, but right now, I'm eating chicken. Let me bite this cucumber. Let me mess with it. I bit it. Alright.
Y'all, I started putting mine on my side, but I said, let me not do her.
I bit it. That's about all I got is a bite. Don't come for me, honey. I be trying to eat these vegetables. They be killing me. So here I go. I've been with my boyfriend for about 2 years now, and everything is good except he sometimes talks about his mother in a really sexual way. He'll make jokes about how hot she is or her sex life.
What?
Excuse me. He does this in front of her too. Like the other day, his mom was getting ready for a date. He kept joking about what a banging bod she has and how she's definitely not coming home tonight. I think it's so weird and creepy, and I told him to stop, but he says I'm being overly sensitive. Do you think I am? Everything else in the relationship is mostly good, and it seems dumb to break up over something like this, but it also really creeps me the TF out.
Well, I'll say this.
I would definitely take that as an alarm. That is alarming for me.
I don't talk about my mama like that.
No. No, gay. No. And this actual scenario reminded me of, I don't know if you've seen that TikTok where this lady in the kitchen washing dishes and she got her sons walking by and they grabbing her butt.
See, now that's some bullshit.
Let me show you. But even that, and watch when you see it, you can be like,
You know, I mean, I know some people got different comfort levels with their parents.
Right.
Understandable. I don't have a problem telling my mom because it's nice. Or any other woman I'm related to. My mom was a very beautiful woman. No problem saying that. But some stuff is too far, and I feel like you need to have those barriers in your mind.
It's just very odd to me.
And like, the problem is,
I'm trying to find it.
and her situation is, it's not changing. That's his mom.
Right.
So they probably he's probably always done that, especially since he was older. And so that's his mom. Right? It's not nothing. If it's nothing new, it's not changing.
Right.
So she gonna have to either get used to it or get out of there, get lost, because it ain't changing.
So if I said stuff about my dad, would that be alarming to you?
Yes.
Would you break up with me, or would you?
Because I'd be like, what in the wrong turn?
Not wrong.
What's going on here?
Definitely would be a conversation for me.
Incest.
Woo! Like, what you got going on? Which I know that some people, I'm determined to find this video. Some people, they'll like kiss their children in the mouth, and if that is you, that's perfectly fine. But for me and my parents, we were not about to do the mouth thing. That's just how I was raised. Ain't nothing wrong with it, but that's just how I was raised. So
I'm just like, when it comes down to that situation, it's just something she's gonna have to be comfortable with or not. Now, I hope there's nothing underlying as the reason why he is so comfortable doing that.
right.
But wait, Jay. But the thing, the weird part about it is, it's for her. She got to wonder if this man is sexually attracted to his own mama.
Right.
That's another woman. This is mama.
And that would, definitely throw me for a loop. Y'all, I finally found it. Here you go, AJ. Let me go back.
Later, babe.
Bye, I love you.
See ya, brah. Bye, mommy.
They was hitting her butt, and I believe the second child might have pinched more than he could inch. He grabbed on to it. No.
That ain't funny or cute to me. It just ain't. But I feel like people in general, especially in America, we so desensitized to some things, man, that people like, I don't know, what's the big deal? It's your mama.
Yeah. Sometimes, like, if me and my siblings, like my mom is standing in front of the kitchen, she washing dishes, like we'll poke her butt like that. She do not like it. Like, she's not okay with it. Like the lady was standing there.
Right.
But I don't hit and hold. And my mom let it be known. She be saying, why y'all always touching my butt? It's a poke like this, cause you just there.
Well, I mean, some stuff is just, Why do you want your male children going around slapping your butt?
Yeah. And I'm just like, was their father there? Because I don't think you personally would like your male sons hit my butt.
Telling you about. Wipe the stabber.
This is good.
I've been a little disconnected today, all this food.
Yes.
Engulfed.
Be so crispy.
Huh?
Be so crispy.
I know. The wings.
You eat your cucumber.
That tip. Yeah, we got one piece left over.
And I got all the pieces. I ain't too good.
don't feel like doing nothing now.
No. Y'all, AJ got a movie for us to watch.
Yeah, we're gonna go watch Morbius.
Morbius.
I ain't feel like recording this video, but I'm trying to make sure I stay consistent for y'all. Cause yeah. On the edit video for the recipe channel, I just knew I was gonna put it up today, but
Didn't happen.
it didn't. I don't apologize, y'all. No. I mean, I got a lot. But it be like that, y'all. Sometimes you be just a little dry. You just need a little reboot, you know. A little reboot moment.
Yeah, I'm about finishing.
Yeah. I done nibbled on all the bones I can nibble on.
I still got 2 pieces. Honey, put your wings in my casket.
Damn, shut the hell up. Y'all, this was a little short one day.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? We ain't always gonna be a little long with it. But yeah, we ain't gonna hold you up. I wanna thank y'all for joining us today. As always, if you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button. Guys, drop a comment down below. Let us know what you think so we can talk to you in the comment section. Also, guys, remember, share that with everybody because sharing is cancer. Care about us, care about us. Y'all, we love you.
We do.
We mean that shit.
Have a good weekend.
Yes, have a good weekend.
Bye.